Hello, my name is Teresita Reyes, and this is my case study Every Day Counts for data analysis and assessment. In summary, the Golden Oak High School has a new principal, Mr. Rhodes, who has the task of improving attendance that has declined in the past few years. He researched the demographic data of the school, and he discovered that some teachers were using personal discretion to apply school policies. He found 5 cases with students from diverse backgrounds that had more than 10 absences not related to sickness or death, and that were marked as excused absences, which is not district policy. All the cases have ethical and legal issues because they are not following the attendance requirements. Some cases are being overlooked, like Karen's, where the counselor failed to have a conversation with her and her parents. Others are prejudiced, like Carl's, that was the only one sent to truancy, or Tyrone's, whose parents are wealthy and taking trips during school. Katrina's and John's cases are more related with community. So in synthesis, Mr. Rhodes has to improve school attendance by dealing with teachers, counselors, coaches, parents, and community not following attendance guidelines. Some of the facts. People. It's a first-year principal with not much experience. Personal being lenient with attendance policies. Parents not valuing school attendance. Students not being responsible for their education. Places. Golden Oaks is located in a suburban community adjacent to a metropolitan area. Most of the families are middle income, but some students live in poverty and others are from high income. The community supports football. In the past years, there's been an increase of Hispanic and Asian families, which gives more diversity to the population. And most of the parents work in the city, so this gives them a 1 or 2 hour commute, which gives them little time to spend with their kids. The school has 965 students in grades 9 through 12. They have 11 different sports, 31 different clubs. They have regular classes and vocational classes, and they have an honor society. Some of the information. I think students are the ones that are going to suffer in the long run because these absences will be in their records and this will follow them. So when they're applying for colleges or jobs, this will not look good in their applications. And this will give them not give them good things for the future. Some of the options that we can do. The first one is not doing anything, which will not be good for the students, but some of the people involved will not get in trouble. So just hoping that the next year will be better. The second option is to take action and speak with the teachers and parents and make them understand the value of being in the classroom and how attendance laws and district policies work. One last option is doing it halfway. Take action, but only with the cases that are where students are in danger and not being so lenient, being lenient on cases where the community is involved. All the options and all have pros and cons. So what I think that we should do is take in consideration the students and what will be best for them. For me, that is number 2, the option number 2, where we take action and we speak with the teachers and the parents. So the first thing that I would do as a principal would have a private conversation with all the people involved to make sure that I have all the facts. Once I know more about the cases with the school in general, I would have professional development. So all the teachers and personnel involved in these cases will know what is involved, how the law works, and what are the policies in our district and in our school. Once everybody had that professional development, I would speak with each individual teacher or counselor or coach involved in the cases, and I would make them understand how important it is that students are in the classroom receiving that education. Next, I will have meetings with the parents and explain them how attendance is protected by law and what will be the consequences of students not being in the classroom. I would also make this information available in social media and mail it to the parents for those that are not able to attend the meeting. If none of these steps work, I would consult my superintendent for advice, and together we can create a new plan. So all of this is based on the NELP standard number 6, and the component 6.2. Thank you.